In terms of what you need to know about your person, almost personal, all signs collective, soulmate twin flame. There is a scammer who's pretending to be me on Instagram and asking for readings, okay? I would never in my right mind DM you and beg you for readings. I do not do that. If you want a reading, you go to my website on Etsy and book one for yourself, okay? Please do not be scammed if you see such people asking you for readings, giving you like a proper display of prices and this and that. Directly block them. They are not me, okay? We have two of wands in the reverse, so many of you guys are trying to look in a different direction, okay? um, for some of you, your connection is almost not getting anywhere, okay? Even if you guys are in communication, I do not see your connection getting anywhere, or if for the past many days it hasn't really been moving. What I mean by moving is, nothing positive, nothing negative, it's stagnant as fuck, okay? What else do we see? Some of you guys might be having traveling plans and that did not go well. Okay, like it got cancelled. Like this virus shit is back, so they are likely to be cancelled, right? We have the Emperor card. So for many of you, it is time for you to get back control of your life. Someone giving you attention, someone not giving you attention should not be bothering you. If someone wants to be a part of your life, they shall come forward, they will come forward, they will make that effort, okay? You don't have to beg someone to come and choose you. Say suppose someone is at a place, say a third party, another country, another job, and they're choosing that over you. Let them stay there. Do not try to force changes, okay? You have your whole life. Choose someone who chooses you, darling. Do not try to force someone to choose you. That is messed up, okay? That doesn't really go well. If you're forcing someone to choose you, forcing someone to change, they are going to be who they are, okay? And regardless of how much ever you might want them to change, they won't, okay? And that's going to be just another like like a disaster in your life, okay? So please do not do that. One more card. It's time for you to act more mature now. We have 10 of swords. So some of you guys might be hurting that this connection did not go anywhere. It's bothering you, it's upsetting you, okay? In the past, it was more like an ego drive. You wanted to know why this person is not talking to you, why the person not choosing you. But now you guys are trying to hold back. You guys are not trying to, like want a reaction and dying for it or whatever. Like you're trying to stay at your place now, okay? Or you will be. In terms of your person, what are they up to? The next couple of days might be a little like heavy in terms of you guys thinking about everything. This person isn't been doing anything about this connection. They are staying at the place they are, okay? It's with Six of Pentacles. For some of you, this person might be in a third party. If not a third party which is romantic, it could be like a work or kids, okay? But the person is not giving in. What else do we see? We have Queen of Swords. This person right now is wearing a mask. Even if they have got feelings for you, they'll come off detached as fuck. Ice cold. Okay, why are they doing this? This person wants to stay away. Okay, what I mean by staying away is they are wanting to stay emotionally distant. Okay, in terms of what are their feelings currently for you? We have Three of Swords. Why is the Three of Swords here? Seven of Swords. It's like for some of you, this person was waiting on you to be reaching out, to be putting in efforts, but you didn't. You might have not done that. Okay, and right now this person is still waiting but not wanting to initiate anything. If you guys are waiting on them to reach out or them to put in that serious efforts, I do not see that happening, okay? In terms of do we see a third party right now active or otherwise? So what usually means a third person, but I think it's about work. I don't see it being a third person romantically. I feel it's a work that they're choosing. They're choosing their life, their responsibility over you, okay? In terms of how do they think about you now? They're definitely heartbroken that you guys are not on good terms, okay? But does that force them to change? They are not changing, regardless of how they feel or what they feel. Okay, so stubborn, so fucking stubborn. Yeah, with the Hanged Man right now, this person is not wanting to act. Even if they have feelings, they are going to possibly suppress that, resist that. Okay, in terms of how do they see you now? They see you as someone who's trying to heal themselves, someone who's trying to get away from the nonsense that is them. They might also feel like you might be looking forward to another connection, that you guys might be talking to someone. If you ask me, do they look up to you? Like, do they feel like you are about them, or you are a better person, a better partner? They do. They look at you as a star, which is majorly like a step above them, a level above them. Okay, one more card in terms of their heart space right now. How do they truly feel for you? Heart space, we have Nine of Cups. Hate space, we have King of Swords. Sorry, Nine of Cups for heart space, which tells me that they still want you, they still desire you, they still have those feelings for you. But how are they coming forward? Hate, hate strong. Like not bothered. I don't give a fuck about you. That's their mentality right now. That's their showing style. That is the exterior. In interior, they still have shit for you. Exterior, they are behaving like you do not matter. Die or live. I don't give a fuck. Okay. One more card for their intentions. It's a very heavy reading if you ask me. It might be looking simple and confusing, but it's quite heavy. One more card. See, the problem, I'll tell you, I'll be very straightforward. They still have shit for you, they still desire to be around you, but the problem is, are they willing to commit? Absolutely not. They still want their freedom, they still want to have their fun, they still want to keep themselves open. Okay. With the Moon card, some of them have fears about commitment, and that could be blocking them. But regardless of whatever fears they might be having, your direct question, if it is, are they willing to come back for a commitment? They will be coming back, yes. They might take time, but for commitment, no, absolutely not. Okay. In terms of why do they not want commitment? See, one thing I feel is they are not ready for a commitment, like fearful, okay, of the outcome. Second thing, they are still wanting to have their fun. That is, they still don't, or do not want to be, tied to one person. Okay, they still want to be open. They still want to have a casual relationship with you. Are they looking for a commitment? No, they're not. Okay, with Five of Swords, it's also their internal fears, internal negative thinking that could be blocking them. Okay, so where are things going for now? It's a very heavy reading. Trust me, it kind of drained me, to be honest. Okay, I'll be very straightforward with you. If you message them, they will reply. But if you are waiting for their message, for some of you, they might keep you waiting for a couple of days. Okay, I do not see this person trying to reach out so soon. They do miss you, they still want to hear from you, but are they willing to message you or possibly contact you first? No. Okay, are they going to be wishing me for New Year's? Maybe not on the at like 12 or something, or 1 or something. They might be wishing you like a day after or the morning, but not at the night. Like I don't see this person wishing you at night. Okay, I don't see you wishing see this person wishing you anywhere close to the party time. Okay, are they missing you though? Yes, they are. I don't know if this reading is even making sense to you, but from my point of view, it's very clear that this person still wants you around, but is not wanting to get fixed with you. Okay, like they are not like wanting to get fixed with you, they are not wanting to get committed with you. They still want to have their freedom. Okay, and a person with that sort of mentality is not even worth a relationship. To be very honest with you. Okay, this is for the next 48 to 72 hours, not forever. So yes, this was your reading. Let me take a couple of love messages. I don't know if they are love or spirit messages. Whatever falls, I'll let you know. Okay. Unspoken feelings. There's still hope. Excuse the handwriting. Okay. Circumstances. I didn't mean to ignore you or give up on you. Last. Direct message. Not looking for commitment. Okay, that is a very very direct message. Not looking for commitment, unspoken feelings, circumstances. These are the three messages that you have. So if you connected to this reading, and if you could still manage to hit that fucking like button, that would really mean a lot to me. I really wish you well. I really wish the fucking 2022 comes in good for you, financially first, mental peace, like overall internal peace over anything else. Okay, love life, that is going to sort itself, but your health, your finances, your family is something that you need to hold dear. Okay. Besides, if you guys want a personal reading, do visit my website or my WhatsApp. I live in India, so I'm going to be having an Indian code. Do not believe any other number that out there. I have my number given in the description section below, and that's the only number that you should be reaching out to. No other number, and I will never reach you out first. Okay, I don't know if that's ego or self-respect. I do not know, or maybe rules or something. But I will never reach out first. Okay, so don't really believe a scamster who's pretending to be me. Someone asking you for a reading, fucking block them. If someone is successful, they don't have to be begging you, DMing you for readings. That's some stupid loser shit out there. Okay, so yes, I wish you a very very happy new year. All you guys need to stay focused on yourself. Okay, love life, that's going to come and go, but you will stay. Okay, you matter more than your love life ever will. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Thank you for being a part of this channel. I know this last quarter of this year I haven't been active, and I'm really sorry for that. I can't give you any sort of excuses. My bad. I'm on Instagram on Divine Soul Guidance, Divine Tarot Messages. Divine Soul Guidance is without an underscore. Okay, there's a fake account there with an underscore. My all accounts are without any underscore or number. Divine Soul Guidance or Divine Tarot Messages, Libra vibes only, Scorpio vibes only. These are my accounts. I do not have any other accounts. Okay. Any of you wanting a personal reading, do reach out on the website. We have a 15% off coin. I'll be having that code below. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Love you all.